welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Happy Thursday! Yay, we're here. It's Thursday. We're one day closer to the weekend. I am trying to lose my voice. We're not going to let that happen. So, thank you again so much for being here. I do appreciate it. And again, I hope you all are having a fantastic day. As you can see from the title down below, today we have the July 2019 Lipstick Junkie. I think that is so cute for 4th of July. The theme here is super cute. So for those of you that do not know, Lipstick Junkie is a monthly subscription of lip products, and it is $18 a month. That is the starting price. Now they do get cheaper if you go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or even 12 months. And I do have a promo code I will put down below that you can use, and it will get you your first box for only $8, and that is LIP8. So I again will put a link and that code down below if you would like to try Lipstick Junkie out. And now we're going to dive in. We're going to see what July 2019 has in store for Lipstick Junkie. So I do want to say we have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway coming up super soon because we are so close to 4,000. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you have not already and join our wonderful YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do live streams, sneak peek videos, giveaways, all kinds of fun stuff. So definitely go ahead and, like I said, hit that button. You won't regret it. You'll have a great time. And as always, please do leave a comment down below telling me about your day, how you're feeling, what you thought of the unboxing. I love hearing from you guys. And please do give the video a thumbs up because it does help me out. So let's open this up. Oh, that's cute. It says Happy 4th of July. All right. So we have our card, and I do like Lipstick Junkie does include obviously a card, but on the back it tells you about each item and pricing. So it says Lipstick Junkie, bright lips and hot summer nights. And we have the 4th of July theme here. So it says, hello July, bikinis, barbecues, and the beach. Yep, we're fully into summer now. Come celebrate the 4th of July with us this month. This month's amazing box that was curated specifically with the heat in mind. We've got hot colors and lip care to make sure those beauties don't crack. So that sounds fun. So, all right, we are going to start. We have something from Phase Zero Makeup Liquid Matte Vegan Lipstick in Bad Habit. So here is the box, Phase Zero. This richly pigmented vegan lipstick is vegan, cruelty-free, and perfect for those hot, humid nights. It glides on as a liquid and dries down to a luxurious matte finish that lasts for hours and hours. This is a $16 value, and again, this is in the shade Bad Habit. So this is vegan and cruelty-free, so that is awesome. Okay. So this is definitely a bold, fun summer color. I don't know if I would wear this personally. Maybe? I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, I definitely think it's a beautiful color. It's a regular doe foot applicator. Like I said, I definitely think it's a beautiful color. I love that it is vegan and cruelty-free, and it apparently, you know, it's implying that it is a long-lasting liquid lipstick, which I really do like. So I don't know. I might give this a try if I get daring enough, or you may see this in an upcoming giveaway. So let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? Again, I do think it is a really pretty color. It's just really outside my comfort zone. So I'm going to put it back in the box for now and we will see. So again, that right there is $16. So that alone is already almost the cost of the box. If you use the code LIP8, that's actually double the cost. So now we have from Nug Beauty. Cocoa Shine Lip Butter Balm, Happy Lips. This is a $10.99 retail value. Better than any chapstick, this buttery, non-sticky formula is packed with natural ingredients like cocoa butter, jojoba oil, and Abyssinian oil that instantly melt into your lips, making them super soft, smooth, and happy so you can keep on smiling. It is natural and vegan. It says cute but serious. And it is cruelty-free. You can see it there on the side. That's what I was looking for because obviously it said it was vegan. Apply generously to clean lips. Use daily or as often as you like. So there we have that. So that's a good lip balm. Super Shine Cocoa Lip Balm. Smile. It looks good on you. This deeply hydrating lip balm nourishes, protects, and combats dryness, all while leaving a beautiful glossy shine. The buttery formula, consisting of only natural and vegan ingredients like cocoa butter, jojoba oil, and Abyssinian oil, instantly melt into your lips, making them feel extraordinarily soft, smooth, and happy so you can keep on smiling. Only natural ingredients and 100% vegan. Seriously clean. No preservatives, parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, synthetic fragrances, or colors. So I definitely do like that. And that sounds like a really awesome lip balm. So I'm excited to try this. And we have one more product in here. And this is by Luna. It is a lip crayon in Pandora. And this has a retail value of $18. It says, treat your lips to moisturize and color. Their amazing formula works hard to constantly condition your lips, with each use leading to smoother and softer lips in just a few wears. The highly pigmented color glides on with ease, and the twist-up packaging means there is no sharpener required, so you can take it with you on the go. So this, again, Luna by Luna. I do like right there off the bat knowing that it is a lip crayon, that it does twist up and you don't need a sharpener, because that is one thing with sometimes with the lip crayons that you're like, really? Especially because they are bigger, and sometimes, you know, you may have a little sharpener sometimes for different eyeliners, but you don't always have like a bigger one. So I do like that it twists up. That's just me saying that. So that's just me throwing out my preferences. Whoa, okay. So this is definitely a 4th of July, in my opinion, because blue and then white writing and then this bold red lip, y'all. Like, that is red. And that obviously is a really good size. Let's see what it says here. Does not say anything else here. Condition your lips. Okay, so I am probably going to put this to the side for a future giveaway. I have a couple of different red lipsticks, and I think every woman or person should have that perfect shade of red lipstick. So maybe this for one of you guys will be that color, that perfect shade of red. So I'm going to put this into a future giveaway. Again, this was $18. So this right here would cover the price of the box if you paid full price. So I think that is great. I love when subscription boxes, when you get more than the value of the box, like more than the price of the box. The value is more than the price. That's what I'm trying to say. So we had that 18. So again, if you had paid full price for the box, that would have covered it. And then we had the Nug Happy Lips Cocoa Shine Lip Balm for $10.99, and the, sorry if I bumped you, Phase Zero Liquid Matte Vegan Lipstick for $16. So that is $27 more in value than what, you know, you would have paid, because 11 and then 16 is 27. So I definitely think that is absolutely worth it. I do want to say thank you to Lipstick Junkie. They did send this to me for review. I do greatly appreciate it. But like I said, I will put that link down below and that code LIP8 if you would like to give them a try and get your first box for only $8. I do think it is worth it. I mean, as you can see, the value is there. Again, had this been paid for at full price at $18, you got that value plus $27. So it's there. And I think it's a good mix of products. We got a pretty matte liquid lipstick, we got a lip crayon in a red, and we got some lip balm. So it's a good variety. Let me know what you think down below. Again, this is the Lipstick Junkie, July 2019. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys at the next one. Bye!